What's up? I'm just going to show you a quick video of how to remove the quarter glass on the 180SX and 240XX hatch. So make sure that you've got all the trims removed, like the inside panels. There's also a little nut which is really critical. It's just, they're bolted on here, that's the only bolt is right there. Just unscrew it. It's just a little 10mm nut like that. And then also get the door trim off there so that you can come in from this side. It's pretty easy. There's just you need some trim removing tools to get those off. So all you need is a bit of water, spray bottle with some dishwashing liquid in it, some tape, I've just got some masking tape, and some scrapers. This one's flexible so that it can get around corners and stuff. So what we'll do is we'll wet everything up. We'll squirt some water in as much as we can, and probably on the tool bit as well. And we're going to start chopping, there's a bit of glue that holds this whole window on, all through there, and we're going to just push this in and cut the rubber. You might have to push it in the corner. So I don't have a multi-tool or one of the Milwaukee, they've got a scraper tool on them that'll just cut that through, so we'll just have to do it by hand. And all you have to do is just that action and just make sure it's really lubricated. There we go, that's through. And all you have to do is all around the door, and eventually this will pop off. So okay, so I've finished all of that. This only went in about that far the whole way down. Because it's flexible, it can cut into that bit. So we want to work on this top piece on the inside there all the way through. We might even be able to just like peel the window that way and then just cut it off. But what I might do is I'll go from the inside of the car and make sure that I've cut the seal, the glue that's on the inside. So we'll lubricate it up, make sure it's all nice. And same tool bit. Start in one and use the corner of it to pierce the seal and just get that action going. And it feels like I'm cutting through it. There we go. So just work your way all the way, work your way until you've got to the top, and then we'll clean it, dry it off, and we'll tape it down, and then we'll try and go from the inside. So try not to go in too far, otherwise you'll end up scraping the black paint that's on the quarter glass. So just to be on the safe side, tape it down if you're doing it by yourself, otherwise have someone pushing against the window. I actually figured out that it's easier to get it from the outside. So as long as you just start off with the corner and you jiggle your way through, like I have to be very careful because that's quite sharp, but if you had your normal one, you should be able to do that fine. But if you just jiggle your way through, you should be able to cut through the seal. And you just want to try and protect this because you'll have to reuse it. And because this is flexible as well, it actually gets under the glass. Come on. There we go. So that's it. It's not the most ideal way. Oh, and there's actually a little plastic thing that holds the window in, and it looks like they've hot glued it in there as well. So you should probably watch out for that. So just for next time, you got to be careful of that bit, this bit here, and that one there. So you should be able to unclip it. Oh no, you can't unclip it. So yeah, you might be able to unclip those from the inside. But yeah, that's how it goes. So you should just be able to use a razor blade to cut off the rubber, and then just some isopropyl alcohol to get the residue off. So if you're going for some Lexan glass, or you just wanted to pull this off to paint the roof, because that's what I'm doing with this, just going to get the panel beating done, paint the roof black with some heavy flake, and then yeah, we're going to wrap the rest of the car purple instead. So yeah, this is my project. So that is how you remove the quarter glass in the 180 240 SX. That's pretty much with a $20 tool. It's probably $10 in the States. But yeah, just a flexible scraper and some water and a little bit of effort, and you'll get it off. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave us some comments if you want. Chuck us a like and subscribe if you want. Cheers. Bye.